Okay, massage, please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Ang sakit ng body ng daddy. Finish na? Thank you for that massage. Wonderful massage. I love you. Thank you so much.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Jong Hilario napakasaya sa ginawa ng kanyang anak na si Sarina para sa kanya. Sa latest video nilang mag-ama ay sinabi ni Jong na, "The best massage in the world. Thank you my princess at Sarina Hilario, tanggal pagod ni Daddy." Nakakatuwang makita ang ganitong eksena nilang mag-ama kung saan sila ay masayang nagbabanding kahit sa mga simpleng pagkikipaglaro ni Jong kay baby Sarina. Ating panoorin ang kanilang nakaka-good vibes na video, pero bago yan, maaari po kayong mag-subscribe sa ating channel para sa iba pa nating celebrity updates.
What are you doing?
Finish na.
Wow, bilis naman mag-finish ha. Nako, nasa na yung massage si Daddy? Yung bilis naman. I want more.
Okay.
Okay, where's the oil?
I want it.
You found it? Okay, massage, please.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Ang sakit ng body ng daddy. Finish na? Ay, finish na. How about sa head? Sa head. Where's the daddy's massage sa head? Are you shampooing daddy? Are you massaging or shampooing daddy? How about the massage on my arm? Galing. Ang galing naman ng massage niya. How about sa kilikili? Kikiliti mo si Daddy. Kikiliti mo si Daddy. Thank you. Thank you for that massage. Wonderful massage. I love you. Thank you so much. What do you want me to pay? What do you want?
I want